Hey guys, these are my top 5 tips for changing the front and rear brakes. Tip 1, you'll need a 13 and a 12 millimeter wrench to remove the rear caliper to get to the brake pads, and then use one of the wrenches to hold the caliper and the other to loosen the guide pin. Tip 2, on the newer Mk2 TTS, you will need to remove the caliper carrier to remove the rotor. I saw where someone did this on an older TTS, but no amount of pulling or positioning would allow me to remove it. That leads me to tip 3. To remove that rear caliper carrier, you will need a 14 millimeter triple square bit and a few socket extensions. Tip 4. You will need a piston compression and winding tool to push back the pistons so you'll be able to get the new pads in position. These tools aren't that expensive, and I will include a link in the description below. Tip 5. On the front brakes, the trick to getting the anti-rattle clip back on is to pull the caliper as far away from the car as possible. So that's pulling it towards you. Once the caliper is all the way back, the anti-rattle clip can be installed. If it's too close, you won't be able to spring it into position. Alright, so those are my top 5 tips for replacing the front and rear brakes. I hope these tips saved you a little time. Feel free to hit me up with questions in the comments section below.